introduction to WordPress. WordPress is a software platform built on PHP and MySQL that's being implemented and used by approximately 85 million websites around the world. Many people can use WordPress to achieve a number of different things. They can create blogs, they can create online shops, they can create regular websites that simply can be managed using the WordPress interface. And WordPress definitely has a lot of great features to it. It's an open source piece of software, and we'll be learning how to use WordPress to do things like create a blog and build an online shop, and just to get an overall general sense of how WordPress works and some of the best usability practices when using WordPress. So there are many websites around the world that are using WordPress, and many significant brands that have implemented WordPress, and also a number of different news and media organizations as well. So WordPress has themes that you can use for free, and then there are also themes that are available for purchase. The WordPress system itself is a free download, and it's usually available in whatever cPanel you have set up. And it's a pretty simple installation, and we're going to go ahead and look at that in the next lecture. But a little bit more about WordPress. We can use WordPress to do so many different things that there are so many applications and number of plugins that can be implemented with WordPress that you can achieve a lot of what you're looking to achieve on the web simply by using WordPress and installing the right plugins. And you can also achieve the design that you're looking to design by doing some modifications to existing themes. So now that we've learned a lot about coding, we want to take a look at how we can implement WordPress, and we can get it up and running and installed, and we can leverage it to create whatever type of website or information we want to convey on the internet. So in the next video, we will see just how to install WordPress and get started with it.